Now let us focus some other group, that is alkyl group. So how the group is formed, this you have to know, and what is the use of this group, this also you have to know. Look at here about alkyl group. This group is formed by removal of a hydrogen, from alkane. Alkane is basically saturated hydrocarbon. So how this group is formed? Removal of a hydrogen from alkane form alkyl group. Now one more thing noted down, that a bond is vacant in this group. A bond is vacant on which functional group may come. So basically what happens here? In formation of alkyl group, one H is removed from alkane so that the formation of this group takes place, and now one bond is vacant. On that one functional group may become to generate the compound. Now focus here how we can generate the alkyl group. So now you know that about the alkane. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Now one H is removed. In that condition, now the group becomes alkyl, and the formula is CnH2n plus 1. So this is the formula of alkane, and this is the formula of alkyl group. Now what the change the name occurs? Here what happens? You can remove N and plus add L. Look at here, L minus N and plus L. This will gives alkyl. Now look some common example. CH2. Remove 1H. This will generate CH3 and one bond is free to attach a functional group. Now the name of this chemical is methane. Now N is removed and add Y. So this will generate methyl alkyl group. So one most common formula of this group is methyl alcohol. So one question is added. You write the formula of methyl alcohol. So you have to write the CH3 and add OH. Now this becomes methyl alcohol. So by this way you can generate the alkyl group, and by attachment of one functional group you can form a formula of organic compound. Now, so this is the methyl group. This is very common group. Methyl chlorides, methyl cyanide, methyl bromide, methyl alcohol. That's why you have to know about the formation of methyl group. Now, if two carbon is there, so this is known as ethane. Again, one H is removed. Now the group formed is CH3, CH2, one bond is free. Either you can write C2H5, one bond free. So now again, this is the ethane. Here, remove N and add Y. So now the group become ethyl. So one question may be right. Write the formula ethyl alcohol. Ethyl chloride, you can write like this, C2H5 and add OH. Now this is the formula ethyl alcohol. So this is basically common name. This common name you have to know to learn the organic chemistry and understand the organic chemistry very well. So that's why this is requirement of organic chemistry. Now one more thing noted down that either remove H from this carbon, either from this carbon. Same formula will be generated. So that's why only one type of removal is there, either from this carbon, either from this carbon. So that's always generate one formula, that is ethyl. Now look about the third carbon, that means propane. So what happens here basically? CS3, CS2 and CS3. So this is known as normal propane. Normal means no branching is there, that's why this is known as normal, and 3 carbon is there to pro and single bond is there to add by propane. Now this contains 2 type of carbon, 1 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon and 1 degree carbon. So both carbon are same, but this carbon is different. So now 2 type condition may be generated. Removal of 1 degree H and removal of 2 degree H. That means the removal of H from 1 degree carbon and removal of H from 2 degree carbon. So this generates 2 type of group. When we remove H from 1 degree carbon, so we get this formula of alkyl group. Now this is the state change, that's why known as N. Here what happens? N propane. So now you have to remove A. So now this becomes N propyl. So one question may be write write the formula of N propyl alcohol. So for N propyl alcohol, you write CS3, CS2, CS2OH. So this is known as N propyl alcohol. So by this way, you can write normal propyl and a formula when free valency are attached with one functional group. This may be alcohol, this may be Cl, this may be cyanide. Now this generates N-propyl alcohol in this condition. Now students, next removal of 2 degree H. So 2 degree H from this carbon. Now this generates the formula CS3, C1 bond 3, CS3 and 1H there. Now this can be written like this also. CS3 whole twice CH 1 bond 3. So look at here. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2. Here second last carbon 1 dimethyl branching. So that's why this is known as iso group. And this came from propane. They have to remove A and add YL. And now this becomes isopropyl. So from this formula, 2 type of group can be formed, either N-propyl, either isopropyl. So one question also may be raised, how many product can be formed from this formula? So those 2 type product may be formed, one from N-propyl and one from isopropyl. Now the students, next 4 carbon. If we are taking the 4 carbon, here 2 conditions are arising. One normal butane and one isobutane. So look both the conditions. Look at here. 1 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon, 1 degree carbon. These 2 carbon is same. These 2 carbon is also same. So here 2 conditions are arising again. Removal of 1 degree H, removal of 2 degree H. Now look the formula found by this removal. So CS3, CS2, single bond CS2, single bond CS2 and 1H. can be removed from this carbon. So this can be written also write like this: CH2 single bond, CH2, CH2 and CH3. So both are same formula. Now this contains a straight chain. So that's why this is known as N-butyl. N-butyl. And because this contains straight chain, this is also known as N-butane. So from N-butane you can form N-butane like this way. Now after removal of H from 2 degree, this can generate formula CH2, CH1 bond 3 and CH3. Either this may be like this: CH1 bond 3, CH2 and CH3. So both are same formula. Now when you look at here, 1, 2, 3. This I told you, numbering always done in case of this type of group from that carbon from which H is removed. So now methyl branching is occurs at third last. That's why this is not iso group, but this carbon 2 degree and attached by 2 carbon. So that's why this is known as secondary. Now the name of this group came from butane. So now this is known as secondary butane. Both are same. This can be also written like this: CH3, CH2, CH, CH3 and one bond is free like this. So one question also may be raised: write the formula of N-butyl alcohol. You can add OH either in this side, either this side. So now look the formula of N-butyl alcohol. OH. Now this is N-butyl alcohol. Now one question may be raised: write the secondary butyl alcohol, secondary butyl chlorides, cyanide. So here you can add OH. Now this becomes secondary butyl alcohol. So by this way you can write the name of given compound in their common name. So this is also very important. Are you getting this point? Now dear students, come again, same 4 number carbon, but here we have to write the isomer of that 4 carbon, that is isobutane. Look at here about the isobutane. So this is the formula isobutane. This I told you. 1, 2, 3. Second last one time methyl branching. This is known as iso. And here 4 carbon is there. No H is removed. That's why alkanes, that is known as butane. Now this contains 1 degree carbon, 1 degree carbon, 1 degree carbon and 3 degree carbon. These all 3 carbons are same. These are same carbon. So either you can remove H from this carbon, either this carbon, either this carbon. They can generate same formula. And this is 3D carbons. So here 2 conditions are always arises: removal of 1 degree H and removal of 3 degree H. So look the condition. If you remove 1 degree H, you can find the formula like this: CH2 1 bond 3. So now this is known as, numbering done from here 1, 2, 3. So this is known as iso, came from butane. So that's why known as butane. So again here one formula may be asked. Write the formula of isobutyl alcohol, isobutyl chlorides, isobutyl cyanide. So you have to attach OH in case of alcohol, Cl in case of chlorides, and Cl cyanide in case of cyanide. Here, and you can find the isobutyl alcohol, isobutyl chlorides. Now let us focus on the removal of 3 degree H. So this will generate CH3, C1 bond 3, CH3 and CH3. So now with the conditions, this can be written like this also: CH3 का whole thrice, C1 bond 3. So this I told you. for neo 5 carbon minimum required, but here 4 carbons is they given, and second last contain 2 time methyl branching, so this should be neo, but for neo we require 5 carbon. So now this become tertiary because the 3 degree carbon are attached with 3 carbon. So this group is known as tertiary butane. So from butane, that is normal butane, isobutane, we can generate total 4 group. One normal, one secondary, one isobutane, and one tertiary butyl. Now again here, if one question is raised that what is the formula of isobutyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol, so for tertiary butyl alcohol you have to attach OH at this point so that you can get the formula of isobutyl alcohol, that is CH3 C CH3 CH3 single bond OH. Now this is formula of tertiary butyl alcohol. So by this way you can write the formula and also find the group by removal of hydrogen either from 1 degree, from 2 degree or 3 degree. So this is the case of 4 carbon. Now one more, you have to note down that about the neopentyl, how we can form the neopentyl. Look at here, the neopentyl can be formed from neopentane. This I told you. So this is the formula of neopentane. This basically contains 1 4 degree carbon, and these are 1 degree carbon, 1 degree carbon, 1 degree carbon, 1 degree. These all carbons are same. These carbon are same. So that's why only one condition is raised, because 4 degree have no H. This I also told you that no 4 degree H is possible. So here what happens? Removal of 1 degree H will generate only a single formula, that is CH3 C CH3 single bond CH3 single bond CH2, 1 bond is free. This can be also written like this: CH3 का whole thrice C CH2, 1 bond free. So this is known as neopentyl. This is known as neopentyl. One question may be raised: write the formula of neopentyl alcohol. You can write OH here so that you can find the formula of neopentyl alcohol. So these group are the basic requirement to learn the organic chemistry. That's why I have focused here. This will come so many times in the chapters alkanes, alcohol phenol ether, aldehyde ketones, and carboxylic acid and amines. So that's why you have to note it down about this type of concept. Thank you, dear students. Now next group from alkene, that is known as alkenyl. So now look at here how this will form. You know that the formula of alkene, the formula alkene is CnH2n. Now 1H removed from alkene, and this will form alkenyl. Here what happens basically? You have to remove E and add Y. Now the formula, the group is CnH2n minus 1, because here again 1H is removed. Now look the example. The father of alkene is basically the first member of alkene is ethene. Now remove 1H. This will generate CH2 double bond CH single bond. Now what happens the name? Remove E and add Y. So this is basically ethanol. Now one more thing to notice down that about this. This is known as vinyl group. This is most important also. And the carbon from which H is removed, this carbon is known as vinylic carbon. One more thing, you have noticed down that this carbon contains 1 sigma, 2 sigma and 3 sigma. That's why this carbon is sp2 hybridized. So one question may be right. You write the formula of vinylic alcohol. You have to write the formula CH2 double bond CH and OH. This is known as vinyl alcohol. Similarly, you can write the formula vinyl chloride. So CH2 double bond CH, then Cl. So this is known as vinyl chloride. So this is also important for board examinations to know that what is the vinyl. Now, if 3 carbon is there, to look for more conditions. This is also very important group, that is known as allyl group. Look at here, CH, 2 double bond CH, single bond CH3. If you remove 1 H from this carbon, in that condition, now this is known as propene. Here again E remove and Y L should be added. In that condition, now this will generate the formula CH CH2 single bond. This is known as propenyl. Now look the conditions. 1 number given to this carbon, 2 and 3. So that's why this is known as 2-ene, that means 2-propenyl, or you can write like this, pro 2-ene 1-ene. So this is also RIPC name of this formula, but you have to also focus on the common name of this formula, allyl. This is also most important to know about the sum formula given in terms of allyl. Now, the carbon from which H is removed is known as allylic carbon. Look the condition. The carbon attached to double bonded carbon is known as allylic carbon. This carbon may be this side, may be attached to this carbon also. So allylic carbon, that means the carbon attached to double bonded carbon atom is known as allylic carbon. So one question also arises, how to write a formula allyl alcohol. Look the condition, CH2, CH single bond, CH2, and you have to add 1 OH at this carbon. Now this is the formula allyl alcohol. So these are some basic concepts which you have to know about the group and how the group formed by the given alkane or alkene. Now come on the next group, that is generated from ions and triple bond. This is known as alkynyl. So now look at here, the general formula of alkyne. So alkyne, the general formula CnH2n minus 2. Now here again 1 is removed, add E again removed and add Y to generate the group from alkyne. Now this will give alkynyl group. Now the general formula of this group is CnH2n minus 3, because one more H is removed from here. So that's why the formula becomes CnH2n minus 3. Now look the common example, CH3 CH triple bond CH. This is the parent alkynes, that is the father of alkynes, first member of alkyne. Now remove one H, we will form CH triple bond C1 bond 3. Now this is known as ethyne. Here again remove E and add Yl. So now this group is known as ethynene. So this is the one more group that is known as ethynene. Now one more group, let us focus. CH triple bond C, single bond CH3. Remove one H from this carbon. In that condition, this will generate CH triple bond C, single bond CH2 1 bond 3. So this is known as, number written here 1 2 3. And now this is known as pro 2 ine and 1 L. This is known as pro 2 ine 1 L. And this is propine. Now the common name of this chemical is propyrogen. This also you have to know. So these are all about alkynes and the group formed by alkynes, that is alkynene. So maybe one question asked that how to write the propyrogen alcohol. So you have to write OH this side and this will gives propyrogen alcohol. And for artificial notation, number done from this carbon, because one is removed here. So this is given the carbon number 1, 2 and 3. Now 2 carbons contains ine and 1 contains L group. So that's why this is known as pro 2 pro 2 yn, that is for triple bonds, and 1 in. So these are the group of alkynes. Now some more groups you have to note it down that aryl group. Aryl. So this is formed from benzene C6H6. It is also known as arene. Now ene removed and Yl add 1 is removed. This will generate C6H5, 1 bond is free. So this is known as aryl. This you can also write like this: benzene, 1H is removed. Now this will gives a group that is known as aryl. So these are about the group formed by the benzene, that is known as aryl. Now students, some more group related to the benzene. Look at here. The common name of this chemical is toluene, or also known as methyl benzene. This will generate 3 group. 1 is removed from side carbon. In that condition, this will form a group that is known as benzene. So one question may be written, write about the benzyl alcohol. You can write over here. So for benzyl alcohol, you can write OH here. Now this becomes benzyl alcohol. So by this way, you can also write the formula. Now remove 2H from this carbon. This will generate one more group. That group is known as 2 bond is free. Now this is known as benzene. Here this carbon is known as benzylic carbon. So sometime one question may be writing, attach the OH group at benzylic carbon. So the carbon attached to the ring is known as benzylic carbon. If one is removed, now this is the benzyl group. Here one example for this group is when 2 bond is free, this 2 bond attached with O. So now this is becomes benzyl dehyde. Now one more group is formed. If all the 3 H is removed from this carbon, in that condition, this will give one group that is known as benzo. Now by 3 bond, you can attach one nitrogen. So this will form benzo nitride. So this is known as benzo nitride. So these are the group found by the toluenes. This also you have to know for examination point of view. So these are very important groups which are related to the toluene. So this is known as benzo nitride. Now dear friends, lastly I want to tell you that the group found by the removal of one H from ring is known as phenyl. It is also written as like this or also written like pH. So this is the basically C6H5. In the form of formula, it can be written like this C6H5. So now dear students, these are about the group formed by some hydrocarbons which are basically you have to need it to learn the organic chemistry very well. Thank you dear students.